So hello traders, welcome to a new video. So we'll be taking some live trades based on this scanner that we have on the right side. This is called the Dartstock platform, and I've already explained this in a previous video. So do watch the previous video in which I have explained this intraday setup that I am using right now. So as you can see, this is 13th October today, and it's almost 9:56. So I've already told you that I don't want to take trades before 9:45. So that's why we are waiting for like I have already waited till 9:50 and we'll be looking for some trades today based on the dart stock. So we are seeing some Dr. Reddy interest here. You can see continuously we can see some interest in Dr. Reddy. There are 3 buy orders there. So let's see what happens. Okay, this is already coming to a resistance point. So I have already added Dr. Reddy here. So this is the resistance which I have already drawn. So now we have to see if it fails in the resistance or not. So what we'll do is if it shows signs of failure, then definitely we are going for a sell on Dr. Reddy. So we are waiting for some weakness at this point. Whenever it reaches this top, if there is some weakness, then definitely we'll sell. But if it breaks out, then we will look to buy. Cipla, definitely Cipla is getting some interest. Let's see what is happening in Cipla. Cipla, okay, the second candle is trying to break the range. So let's see what is happening in Cipla. We're still inside yesterday's range. So definitely I'm not gonna touch it. But we do have a good rounding bottom from yesterday. So that shows a good sign. Let's see in the 1 hour. Okay, so in the 1 hour there's a bigger rounding bottom which is happening. It's kind of a cup pattern. Can you see? It's kind of a cup pattern. So definitely I think we have a good chance for buy. Oh, see, if you go take a bigger picture, then that is also a big rounding bottom. Inside that we have one more rounding bottom, and inside that again we have one more rounding bottom. So it's kind of Inception movie, dream inside a dream. So I think we'll take a buy trade for Cipla once we have uh, a good movement from here. So I think we have to add Cipla here. We'll add Cipla. So we'll keep an eye on Cipla. And by the way, I was already tracking Titan because Titan was falling from its high. So we missed that trade. It's okay. UPL also I was tracking because of the failure from top. Let's see what is happening in UPL. Looks like a good setup to me. It has just come out of a resistance, right? It was previously a support, but now it has crossed it with volume, so that is a good sign, but it has failed at this point. So let's see in the 5 minutes. So do we have a good risk reward ratio? If I enter here, how much would be my loss? My loss is 0.75%. And where can I keep my targets? My targets can be somewhere here. I think 1.2 risk reward ratio. If I want to enter here, so let it pull back a little, then we'll try to enter. Let's see if we have missed anything here. Divis Lab, Wipro, Hero Motoko, Wipro, Indigo. No much movements here. Bharti Airtel, Tata Steel. Let's see what is happening in Tata Steel. We got a loss in Tata Steel yesterday, if you remember. Yesterday we took a sell trade in Tata Steel. So it's not that I am here to take revenge on Tata Steel. So let's see, this has just completed a rounding top and it is slowly failing. So let's see in the 1 hour. Nope. Let's check VWAP here on this one big candle. That's look good to me because now it has just rejected on a VWAP. Okay, now that is also a double top here, which is also good. Looks good to me. So let us again take a trade in sell trade in Tata Steel at the same point. I'll also put a VWAP on days point. So do we have a good risk reward ratio here? If I point to 0.9%, so if it breaks down from today's point, then probably we can have a good fall until this point. So that's a 1.6 risk reward ratio if I enter now. So let's wait for this candle to reach here at the VWAP and then we'll take a trade. So we have, let me add Tata Steel. Let's see what is happening in Cipla. Are we getting any buying on Cipla because we are looking to buy Cipla? I think yes, I will take a buy trade for Cipla. This is a buy trade. Buy trade keeping my candle here. That is 0.5%, and risk reward should be 1.6. So we are looking for somewhere in this point. So I'll just extend it here, 8.6. Or else we'll keep it small, 1.5 itself, 1.5 risk reward ratio. Okay. So I'm gonna enter in Cipla with a stop loss of 4.5 rupees. So I'm putting this trade from my mobile and you can see the dialog box opening in the screen once the order is done. So buy on Cipla, my stop loss is at 809.5, 809.5. Okay, you can see buy order completed for Cipla. So we have started our first trade, that is in Cipla. Let's see, we're looking on Titan, right? Okay, this time we won't be fooled easily. Like yesterday, Titan easily fooled us. So we'll wait for Titan. Sorry, not Titan, Tata Steel. By the way, Titan is like has slowed down now. There is not much selling, so probably it is an inside candle right now. What else do we have? 31 3 crores on Bharti Airtel. Dr. Reddy is getting some selling. Dr. Reddy continuously I can see the more Dr. Reddy's. So let's see if it is an intermediate selling or it has reached the top. Yeah, it looks like Dr. Reddy has reached the resistance point. So what I can do is I'll put a VWAP on today's point, and how much price do we have? 20 rupees I have. It has to come down to the VWAP. So probably I can take a sell position here, put a small stop loss. Oh, I'm getting late. Put a small stop loss and put my point here. Let's see, do we have a good risk reward ratio? 1.28. I'll keep my stop loss little more smaller, and it has to come down to the VWAP, I suppose. So we'll keep a 1.4 risk reward ratio. Let's see. 30 rupees, 20 rupees is to 30 rupees is my loss. So let's see if you can take a small scalping. So this is kind of a scalping. Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy. We are taking a sell on Dr. Reddy. My stop loss is at how much? 5322. It's 5322, and you can see where is the order. Order is rejected because the primary. Okay, sorry, the order got rejected. So now you can see a sell order. Okay, sell order for Dr. Reddy completed. So it's a small scalping that we are trying. But I think our stop loss is too tight. So anyways, we'll see what happens. Is there anything on Cipla yet? Nope. No movement in Cipla yet. So we have a buy in Cipla and we have a sell in Dr. Reddy. So UPL, is it showing any signs? No, we haven't taken any trade yet. So we are waiting for the reaction. So I think UPL is also a good sell now because of this big candle here. Let's see, 15 minutes. It has almost reached this big candle's point and we can see a big red candle. So probably we are gonna see inside candles and then a breakdown from what I have seen in the past movements. So I think this would be a very good point to take a sell trade, right? I'll keep my stop loss very near so that we can have a 1.5 risk reward ratio. So we have a 1.45 risk reward ratio. So let's go for a sell in UPL. So we are going for a sell with a stop loss of 514.5, 514.5. Okay, so you can see we have put a sell order for UPL as well. Let's see how it turns up. So we have three trades today. So we'll align it together. So Cipla and Dr. Reddy. Okay, so these three. So we have trades in these three right now. So we have a buy for Cipla, we have a sell for UPL, and we have a sell for Dr. Reddy. So what I'll do is, if anything happens, I'll make a video, or else like every day I'll be making a video once I come back after I finish my work at 3 o'clock, 3:30. At that time I will anyways let you know what happened to these three trades. So that's three trades for today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep trading. Bye bye. So hello traders, welcome back. It is almost 3:21. Market is about to go off, and if you remember, we did take three trades today. It was a buy in Cipla and we took a sell in UPL and Dr. Reddy. So let's see what happened there. Cipla, let me just maximize it. So if you remember, we took the trade in Cipla somewhere in this, seeing this one candle here, and our target was here, and I think I closed it somewhere in this candle here above our target. So it was not an OCO order, so I just put an alert in my system, like whenever that 820 crossed, so I got a message. I think I covered it somewhere here. So after that, if you see, Cipla had a big downfall, but we couldn't catch that. So Cipla was a like profit for us today. We didn't take the full move, we only took till here, I suppose. So that was Cipla. Then we went for UPL. UPL did stop us out. It hit my stop loss here. Okay, so I went inside because seeing this red angle on red candle on this VWAP, so it broke the VWAP, and that's why I did take a trade here. it just took a stop loss and went back down. So that is what happens in intraday. Normally your stop losses are hunted, so definitely it got hunted for me. And then we took a trade for Dr. Reddy, I think, which was a very bad trade, but still we got our target. I think I booked it somewhere here. I didn't see this candle. I got an alert when this candle was there, so I think I exited here. So it was a profit. So it almost went to our point. I think our stop loss was at 5322, if you remember, in the morning. So it almost went to a stop loss and then went back. So actually it was a bad trade. I shouldn't have taken a sell trade when it has not crossed the VWAP. So I thought it would just retrace back to the VWAP, and I kept a target which is very far. So it was a very bad trade. There is nothing to learn from it. But still, let's say we were lucky to not hit our stop losses and we got a profit here. So today's trade was 3 trades. So 2 was profit and 1 did take our stop loss. So still a green day for us. So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep trading. Bye bye.